You don't necessarily have to go out to a forest or spend money and travel to a sanctuary to be close to wildlife and feel connected with nature. Those connections can very well be fostered from your own homes, your own backyards, your own balconies. It's important that people take this time to form that bond with nature that exists right outside their homes. And truly grasp the true beauty and power of feeling so close and connected to nature from your own doorsteps. A lot of people have told me how they've seen nature coming back into cities, how they've seen nature rewilding and reclaiming its space, and how birds have come back to urban cities like Delhi and Mumbai, how animals have come back to highways and streets. The wildlife has always been here in our cities. It's always been coexisting with us near our homes, in the parks and places that we live in and we visit. It's just that we have opened up our eyes to the wildlife around us during the pandemic. They were like, okay, instead of spending time with us, you're taking your binoculars and camera and you're going after a bird. Excuse me. And that's something that I think they never understood. I'm not sure if they've understood it yet also. I started this community of nature lovers called Cuckoo About Nature Club, which is basically, it's this club that teaches children to fall in love with nature, because we all believe that only what you love would you protect, and only what you learn about can you come to love. I think everyone should be advocating for just a more just, green and sustainable future, because this is not a fight for my rights or your rights. It's a fight for the rights of every single human being, as well as every creature in every region on this planet.